At Healing Camp, we have activities during the day, one of which is classes that I teach. We practice listening, what I talk about as listening to the dream of nature. And in that way, we begin to slow the mind and the activity of the mind and the speed of the mind, which tends to run our lives in the modern world, and begin to feel and listen with our other senses, and begin to shed the illusion of separation that the mind constantly tries to introduce and reinforce. And in this way, it supports the healing process that's going on here. And it's fun. There's a way in which, by opening to this form of listening and expressing, we start to gain more access to the natural flow of our emotions, which is another important aspect of healing. That movement, that divine natural movement that shows up in us as our feelings, can begin to flow like the stream. There's joy, there's anger, there's grief, there's compassion, there's fear. It's all part of how we're made. So by connecting to the living world through listening, we start to remember that capacity that we all already have, that our heart already knows, to listen, to be present, and to allow ourselves to be moved by the world. And to do that in a group setting, in a small community, which is what we are here. It's a healing community at Healing Camp, is particularly effective